So we are going to have to remove the glove compartment here. To do that on the Model X, gently pop off the trim work. I mean, it comes off nice and easily. This Tesla loves these little snap clips, and very poor adhesive just about everywhere. Take the side panel off. You're 25% of the way done. Next, we will need some Torx drivers. We got let's see, which size do we need? That looks like a 20. And it is size 20. To make this video go a little faster, instead of using a ratchet on the end of this Torx bit, I'm going to use my drill. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 4. Let's see. Where's number 5? Pop that down. Number 5 is right here. Getting there. Number 6 is. We gotta pull the bottom trim off. Inside with the door open. Thank you, Mike Anthony, for calling as usual during the video. And there we go. Be careful when you take it out. There are 2 or 3 wire connections. That one's for the light. That one's for the servo to pop the glove compartment open. And the last one is for the sensor, so the car can beep at you or knows when the glove compartment actually is open. Let's take the camera off the tripod because there is no room. So now we are looking in here. This is where your HEPA filter is. If so equipped, this is your full self-driving computer. We're going to open the compartment up. Now is also a great time to replace your HEPA filter if it is dirty. They're fairly cheap. This one's a little bit, but really not too bad. A little dusty. I'll probably just shake this one out. See? Not too bad at all.